In this video, we are going to talk about how we can use variables to hold colors. So writing the same color over and over again can be really annoying. And just to show you, I made this flower and you'll see it has two different kinds of pinks and a yellow. And I'm going to open up the code. And you can see here, I have one color pink. I have a fill that's that same color. No, it's actually a different color. So fill with one pink, fill with a different pink, fill with the first one, the second one, the first one, the second one, and so on. But what's really interesting is if I wanted to maybe change all of this to be a purple flower, I would have to come to my color picker, pick a purple color, copy it, and then I would have to, by hand, go and figure out where it goes. So it would go here, it would maybe go there. I'm just kind of making it up, right? But we'd have to change that each time. And as we learned yesterday with variables, variables are really great because they allow you to change multiple things at once. So today we are going to try to make some color variables. So I want you to open up an editor and call it 1.11 color variables. Make 2 rectangles and 2 ellipses on your canvas. This is what mine's going to look like, but you can set yours up however you want. This is a reminder that you should pause this video, rewind this video, do whatever you need so you have this information. Okay, you can see that I have created a canvas, and my canvas has 2 ellipses and 2 rectangles, very similar to what I have here. It's not perfect, but that's okay. So what we're going to do is we are going to have I'm going to add a little comment, make 1 rectangle and 1 ellipse pink, and make the other rectangle and the other ellipse green. Okay, so normally we would do something like fill. We would find a pink color. I like this one. And we would go ahead and we would put it in, right? But I don't want to use the numbers here. I want to replace it with a variable so we could change them all at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a variable. So I'm just going to delete that just for now. We make our variables, remember, before line 1. So we press enter there and we write var and we give it a name. Now, very important, you cannot just write the word pink. You'll notice a little square pops up because that is a color. You can write pink color though. This is me declaring a variable to hold the pink shade I will use. Then we need to do in our setup. So we come to the end of create canvas and we press enter a few times. And I'm going to say that my pink color equals, and this time we're not just going to paste the numbers, we're going to write color, parentheses, and we're going to put our color inside of it. This is me initializing my pink color variable to start at pink. You must write color. Now, very important thing to note, you never write anything else in front of, you don't never write anything else besides color when initializing. So like we wouldn't write stroke. We wouldn't write stroke weight. We would just sometimes write color if it's a color. We have declared, we have initialized, and now what's really cool is I can just write fill pink color on the ones I want. So maybe I fill pink color. The reason it's doing all of them is because I haven't reset. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to reset. And there you go. Let's do one more for orange. I'm going to declare another, or for green, I'm going to declare a variable. I'm going to call it green color. I'm going to come in to my function setup, and I'm going to write green color equals color parentheses. I'm going to pick a shade of green. I kind of like this one. And I'm going to put it in the parentheses. And then I can fill with my green color. And fill with my green color. What's really great is you can also use this variable for stroke. So let's say, for instance, for my pink rectangle, I wanted a green color stroke. You can see it has that now. And maybe for my green rectangle, I wanted a pink color stroke. There you go. It's pretty cool. Okay, so next, you are going to go ahead and open this URL, and you're going to follow the directions. Excited to see what you can do.